delicious and moreish easy banana cake recipe. If you're ready to make this, then let's go. Hello there lovelies! For this episode, we will be making banana cake recipe. And don't confuse this with banana bread because I looked it up in the internet. I wasn't so sure with the difference, but now I know. Banana bread is generally less sweet than banana cake. So I've identified my recipe to be a banana cake. So if you're excited to make this, then let's go on with the recipe. So here's the recipe and feel free to screenshot. So I'm gonna start working with my bananas first. Like what I wrote on my recipe picture, I recommend the Lakatan variety or the Musa Acuminata, its scientific name. I really like this banana because it's really sweet and it has a strong banana flavor compared with other varieties. So you should use very ripe bananas, or shall I say overripe bananas, because they're much more strong in terms of flavor. And you can tell that it is ripe when its skin is really brown and it's really soft and fragile. So I'm just gonna mash it with a fork, but if you have a food processor or a blender, you can use it as well. So now I'm gonna be working with the batter itself. I melted my unsalted butter and poured it into this bowl, and then added in some brown sugar and my eggs. I'm just gonna give this a quick and light mix just to get everything incorporated, and then I'm gonna follow up with my mashed bananas and my flavoring, which is vanilla. But if you like spices in your banana cake like nutmeg or cinnamon, then you should give it a go. I don't really like them, it's not my preference, but if it is yours, then feel free to add it in. I just don't like it, sorry. And then I'm gonna add in the flour and then alternate the addition of the flour, then the milk, and then the flour. I also forgot to mention that in the flour, I've already mixed in the leavening agents, the baking powder and the baking soda. And that's it! The batter's ready! Just quick and easy, right? So now we just have to prepare our pan. I'm brushing oil on the bottom and sides of the pan so that the cakes won't stick. And this is a 5x9 inch pan in case you want to know the size, and you can make 2 loaves out of this quantity. But if you want to have the recipe, by all means do so, or if you want more, you can double, triple, or quadruple the recipe, whatever you want. Now the cakes are ready to bake in the oven. I have already preheated my oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 10 minutes, and now I'm gonna bake these loaves for about 20 to 25 minutes at 175 degrees Celsius, or maybe just until when you insert a toothpick, and when it comes out clean, then it's ready. Optional! You can top your banana cake with whatever you want, but I am melting 100 grams of white chocolate and I'm drizzling it on top to make it look even more tempting and delicious. I'm also sprinkling some almonds on top to add some crunch to it. And that's it, my lovelies, for our banana cake recipe. I hope you loved this one. You can either enjoy it plain, or you can take it up a notch by adding creaminess of the melted white chocolate and crunch of the almonds on top. And if you're gonna make this recipe, then please take a picture, upload it on Instagram, and tag me at Macu Baker so I can see all of your works. If this video helped you and you were entertained, you enjoyed this a lot, then please leave a like and subscribe to my channel. It's gonna help me grow a lot and keep delivering quality content for all of you guys. So I hope everyone stays safe at home, stay positive in these trying times. I am with you all. I want to send love to everyone who is watching this video. Ooh, and also, shout out to my homie, K. Ortiz from Cagayan de Oro City, Philippines. Love you and I miss you. So I guess this is the end of the video, and I have to bid you adieu. Toodaloo, lovelies. Bye!